weather update for the rest of the week for the United States. The most active part of the region will be held, of the most active weather will be held over the southeastern United States. Now, over the past couple weeks, severe thunderstorms and flooding rainfall have been just deluging and plummeting Oklahoma, Texas, all the way up to the northeastern United States. Flood watches, flood warnings, tornado watches. It's just crazy. And you know what? This pattern will continue for at least 5 more days as the computer models continue to advertise quite a bit of rainfall. And let's take a look here at the computer model simulation of the expected rainfall over the next couple of days. I'm checking out the NAM, which is a short range computer model, which is more accurate as we get 2 days into the storm, ahead of the storm. Okay, here we go. 4 days out. Precipitation total. Once again, eastern Oklahoma, southern Missouri, Louisville, over Louisville, up to the northeast, 1 to 2 inches of rain with a big bullseye over eastern Oklahoma. This shows them getting up to 4 to 6 inches of rainfall, which I would not doubt, because they've received well over that so far. As you head further north, as maybe the west coast is definitely quiet. They've been definitely quiet over the past couple days and will continue to stay quiet, with very, very little rainfall expected over the southwest and the Pacific Northwest, with possible continued more in Montana. There's expected to be some decent rainfall, half inch of rainfall, as the afternoon showers pop up like normal in the mountains as the instability from the sun and heat of the terrain rise up and they create clouds, and that begins to produce rain. So over the next week, I would expect the United States to be especially active over the southeastern, southern plains into the northeast region, and currently there are flood watches in effect for portions of the northeast region. Let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center products, which is outlining the heaviest potential of severe thunderstorms. Now tonight they issued their last update at 7:58 with a slight chance of severe thunderstorms over portions of the northeast, but that threat is mostly gone right now with the heavy rain and thunderstorm threat, and that will begin to move offshore as we head later tonight over the Carolinas, Virginia, that sort of region. Tomorrow's a bigger threat, folks. Over eastern Kansas, eastern Oklahoma, all the way through the southeast, and just south of Chicago, Illinois. And they will have the potential for severe thunderstorms, and the heaviest threat for severe thunderstorms, isolated tornadoes, hail, wind, will be over portions of southern Missouri, northern Arkansas, northeast Oklahoma, southeastern Kansas. Big bullseye, folks. I would tune up those weather radios or potentially buy one online, because weather radios can save your life. No matter how much you don't like them waking you up at night, in the middle of the night with their sirens, would you rather wake up? Would you rather have your weather radio off and sleep and die through the tornado? Or would you rather have your weather radio on alert mode with the alarm up high, warning you of a tornado, and losing your sleep to save your life as this weather radio wakes you up and as you head to the basement? So purchase some weather radios, folks. It can save your life. So over the next week, Mother's Day weekend looking again stormy for the southeast, and you head into the central plains, northern plains, western United States. Perfect. Maybe a few showers here and there. Nebraska, Montana. Normal showers over Seattle, Washington. It should be perfect. But as we head into next week, the jet stream will move further north, and it should begin to affect the central United States, the northern plains, Great Lakes, and areas like Nebraska, northern Kansas, Iowa, South Dakota, North Dakota, Minnesota. We'll begin to see thunderstorm activity, and that should increase later next week. Now, temperatures ranging across the United States should be in the 90s to the extreme southeast to the 70s, 60s, and 50s as you head further north, as say extreme northern North Dakota. So that's been your YouTube weather update, and I thank you for viewing this video today, and I welcome you to view more updates as I get them. Thank you.